Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board, guys. Let's rock. Good day, folks. A good day. Yes. Rock and roll. Buff away. Okay guys, this is a head sea and the waves are coming towards us. I've got trimmed all the way down. We're in 35 feet of water. There's some fish there, look. 35 feet of water, and this is a head sea. So when you see the white horses like that one there, well, there's a few actually, this is a head sea. So what I do to overcome this, because at the moment the bow, that's the front of the boat, is crashing into the waves. All right, you can see it splashing there. Okay, so I'll show you there. There's a head sea. There we go, guys. All right, so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to lift the engine slightly, tilt it up. Okay, there's a battleship over there and he keeps doing circles. I don't quite know what he's quite doing. I think he's probably doing some manoeuvres, not sure. But he's got quite a large circling path to take before he does a full circle. I'm just wanting to see what he's going to be doing. We are the only boat out at the moment, apart from an American warship. So anyway, what I'm going to be doing is, there's the engine trim there, 0. So that means that the engine is fully tilted down. Okay, so that means the engine is fully tilted down to get a grip in the water. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the tilt button on the throttle and bring it up slightly. You'll notice now that my trim is at number 4. Just taking the bow over the top of the wave. Okay, making for a much smoother ride. All right. There we are. There we are, look, just above the wave, a bit of a splash there. So what I can do is just tilt it up a couple more, 6, 7, right. Now we're higher than the waves now, so that's a much smoother ride. All right, there we go. And I'll show you this once more. I'm going to tilt it right the way down, back to 0. There's the 0. There's the waves. Okay, now you'll notice that the bow is going to be crashing in the waves, and that's why we're getting the splashing. There we go. There, you see? There you are. Now I'm going to use the tilt button and tilt the engine up, back to 6. Stroke 7 where we were before. Now we're back on 7, and you'll notice that there's less splashing now because we're actually above the wave. All right, and that's why you use your engine trim. There we are, we're running nice and smoothly, over these waves on a head sea. All right, rock and roll. Okay guys, welcome to a following sea. Yep, this is a following sea. Beautiful. Now you can see how the waves now, you see it's coming very close. We're just going nice and steady at the moment, just so I can do the video for you. Alright, so you can see what a following sea is. And it's coming this way obviously. And I want to see, so you can see how it pulls us back. There you see. Now it's pushing us forward. Okay. Now it's going to drag us back a bit until the next wave pushes forward. Alright. This is a following sea. You can see a few of the white horses, what we call white horses, or the white crests. Okay. Now you can see how close this comes to the transom on a following sea. Alright. See it? Now it's pushing us forward. That's why you heard the engine rev up. Now it's pulling us back. It's quite a sight actually. I love it, I do. Absolutely love it. They are. You'll hear the engine rev up again, which is not, Linda's not touching the throttle at all. Alright, we're doing it about 8 knots. But I wanted to show you what a following sea looks like. See that one that's coming in? Now it's dragging us back. And when you hear the engine rev up, then that's when it's pushing us forward like it is now. Yeah. There we are. That's a following sea, guys. And I'll show you what it looks like from the front. There's your following sea. You'll have to excuse the anchor, it just came upside down. I'll just fix that in a bit. Now it's pushing us forward. Okay. Now it's dragging us back. That's why it doesn't look like we're going anywhere. It looks like we're not moving at all. Now it's pushing us forward. You can hear the engine. Now it's pulling us back. Now it's pushing us forward. So that's the following sea. So the idea, as I said in previous videos, the idea is to stay on the crest of a following wave, okay? Not go over it, because you'll bury the bow of the boat into the next wave. See that fake wave going there? Okay, so the idea is just to stay right on the crest of a wave, okay? At the moment, the sea's got control of us. You can see the boat sort of go in different directions. That's because we're only doing about 6-7 knots. Okay, they are to just stay on the crest of a wave. Stay as you are, Linda. Just awesome.